Remember that an ion is an atom or group of atoms with a positive or negative charge. A hydrogen ion has a positive charge. A hydroxide ion has a negative charge. It is a hydrogen atom bonded to an oxygen atom. Solutions are either acids, bases, or neutral. The number of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions determines the type of solution. A neutral solution contains an equal number of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions. Pure water is a neutral solution. Acids have an excess of hydrogen ions. Bases have an excess of hydroxide ions. The pH scale measures the concentration of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions in a solution. The pH scale uses 0 to 14 to indicate how acidic or basic a solution is. A base is also called an alkaline solution. Neutral solutions, such as pure water, have a pH of 7.0 on the pH scale. Acids have a greater concentration of hydrogen ions. An acid is any solution with a pH below 7.0. More hydrogen ions means a lower pH and a stronger acid. The strongest acids, like battery acid, have a pH near 0.0. Acids that we consume are characterized by having a sour taste. Citrus fruits, such as lemons, have acidic juices. Our stomachs produce acid that aids in digestion and kills bacteria. A base has a greater concentration of hydroxide ions. A base is any solution with a pH above 7.0. More hydroxide ions mean a higher pH and a stronger base. The strongest bases, like oven cleaner, have a pH near 14.0. Bases are characterized by having a bitter taste and feeling slippery like soap. Ammonia, baking soda, and bleach are bases you might find around your house. Litmus paper is commonly used to indicate the pH of acids or bases. Acids turn blue litmus paper red. Bases turn red litmus paper blue. A base can be added to an acid to raise the pH and make it less acidic. The acid is neutralized when the pH is raised to 7.0. Have you ever had a burning feeling in your stomach? This can occur when you have a high concentration of stomach acid. When you take an antacid, which is a base, you are neutralizing the stomach acid. In the same way, an acid can be added to a base to lower the pH and make it less alkaline. The base is neutralized when the pH is lowered to 7.0. When an acid reacts with a base, it is called a neutralization reaction. Water and salt are products of the reaction. Some common acids and bases are listed according to their pH. Notice that dark soft drinks and coffee are acids. Human blood is only slightly basic with a pH of about 7.4.